stay point. Now the computer has activated and it is holding the boat in place. So you see we're right here in the middle of the canal, and the engines are being controlled by the computer and doing their thing to keep this boat perfectly in location. And we have a pretty strong wind coming in here today, and it just is a really nice capability. So I'm holding my boat in place, no drama. I can prepare my lines. I can prep for docking. I can wait for a slip, whatever I need to do. Now, if I want to turn this boat around, I can turn the stay point off, engage the joystick, and I'm going to use my joystick. And again, the engines are going to be controlled by the computer. And if you can see, this boat is just pivoting effortlessly. And we have strong wind coming against us from the ocean. Doesn't matter. This boat is spinning right around, and the computer is doing all the work, spinning us around perfectly right in the center of this very tight canal. Really, really is nice, even for experienced captains. We are testing our side gull wing door. That is a nice feature of this boat. And it lowers electronically, which we just did. Nice for swimming, chilling. Put some beach chairs on there. It's a great day on the water.